Riyal from Bangladesh, did Yazeed order his troops to kill Al Hussein? No, he did not. And he was very angry with the people who brought him this info, and he cried for him and honored his family, the remaining of his family. And all what the Shia circulate is not true. Yazid was not a companion like Al Hussein. Yazid was a tabi'i, but at the same time, people go to extremes. Some of them make Yazid to be one of the righteous scholars and awliya of Allah Azza wa Jal. And some of them, like the Rafida, make him a kafir. And this is the imbalance that the Sunnis, the Muslims don't have, alhamdulillah. We have balance because we have no relationship with either party. We love Al Hussein because he's the grandson of the Prophet ﷺ, and we love him because he is the master of the youth in paradise. But our love to him does not make us transgress and say that Yazid killed him when he did not, and Allah knows best.